Good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. And today, we're taking the Vanderhall out to a local car show. Now, I was gonna go to Houston this weekend and go down to a dealer that's there that's having an event, but this is happening. So it's another gloomy day in Texas. I'm getting kind of tired of it, and it's windy, so I'm gonna go back in the garage so we don't have all that wind noise. But yeah, the weather here has been like super hot, super humid, and rain all the time. So our lakes are like super full and everything's flooded. And I wasn't about to drive to Houston, probably get a little bit of rain there, and then it's supposed to rain all night here. So driving back from the event was gonna be a nightmare. I don't wanna do that. So we're going to a local car show that I signed up for a few months back that got rained out, and today hopefully the rain will hold off, but it's not looking great. But there's a breeze, so maybe it won't be so hot. So we're jumping in the Vanderhall. It's actually right down the street from my house, and we're gonna be there in just like 5 minutes. So here we go. Leaving the car show, it was pretty cool. It rained on us, so it's a little wet. All these beautiful cars have to now drive home in the rain. It's funny, we were talking about it, how really these car shows need to end at like noon in Texas because it's so hot. If it had ended at noon, we wouldn't be driving home in the rain as the water comes up over the back from my exposed rear tire. But it's not currently raining on me, so I'm not getting that wet. But just part of owning the Vanderhall, you gotta be ready to drive home in the water. But that's it for today. A little short one, no update to the car other than just coming to the show. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.